Today's Sunday. Wala ko kasimba. I was thinking magsimba ko and then wala ko kasimba and I had to organize house cleaning. And house cleaning was so expensive kay carpeted man ang among hallway and carpeted sa lang among kuan ang among stairs. So I had to add I had to spend around $500 for the cleaning. But the house is pretty much clean. But I don't have enough energy to clean it some more. So if I had it, I would have cleaned it myself. But di mo sa ko pwede carpet cleaning. We need to hire people to do the carpet cleaning. I think carpet cleaning is 50 per area. So they were charging us 5 areas. So it was $250 sa kanakuan. And it was straightforward. Mga abog-abog ilang gina-wipe lang and everything. And that should be fine. That was fine. Mahal lang yun. Dako lang yung nabayaran. But anyway, that's how it is. And hindi na sagunan mag-stress. Before, sa old na mga house, I had to do the cleaning myself. And I just had to hire somebody to do the carpet cleaning. So paspas naman to, it was a small room. More on carpet cleaning na siya. I did the laundry. Not laundry. I did the banyo and everything. So I did the cleaning sa house. Kapoy sa siya, I had to buy mga trapo, mga ana. So the prices are gonna add up if you're gonna do that. Plus yung effort. Bisaya. So inana na siya. So right now I'm heading out. So pakoy paniud to. I'm gonna go to Bunnings. Magkapit kay ko ka ng jam donuts because I just wanna be happy and I wanna eat jam donuts also. So let's go sa jam donuts. Also kay nindot akong jacket. Huwag ko bulingit ko ba? I feel so warm. Init kayo. And I hope na pay donuts karon because the thing is it's a bit late. Now it's 3 p.m. I hope na pay donuts I can buy usually mga 4 pa makapalit mo ko na niya. But wishing it. I am so glad I can see it from here na pay mga tao naglinya sa jam donuts. So that should be nice. Dagan oy. But there you go. Dagan kay sila. Just go here and pile up.
Oh yeah.
Donuts up here. Ito ka na yung donuts lang rin. Film it. Thank you. Good. Mas ka siya makayo mag-donut ba? Daghan na kayo donut. Init pa kayo. Bagong luto. Ng weekend sa siya nga rin. So muna siya. Weekend sa siya nga rin. Let's go. So sa kada kong limala sa akong dadunon ta nga mga water bottle akong akong ipa-list ng 10 cents nabilin ngadto. So mobalik ta sa balay. Yawa. Okay, apparently ganina nagtuko nga kanang makuan ako tong 10 cents nga mga bottles. Nabilin man is pikas sa pikas balay. So I have to get it back and now I got some cold mango tango crush. Kay lamig man siya. Ato sa likod nga rin kay nang ring murag ka ng pailisdan na sa mga 10 cents. Let's go. Sky orange, blue, makita sa ko ng video. Anyway, adong to kari sa Nox and naay nga rin kanang paistaran sa mga recycled na bottles. Siya diha Victoria's Deposit Scheme 10 cents. Okay, let's go.
Registered users.
So let's go. So for today, okay, there you go, $4. So for now we have $4 in our account. Lights na. Anyway, gotta go.